our delegates, change makers, speakers, cultural leaders, indigenous youth, and global partners, your presence here today give this summit its power and purpose. You bring with you not just expertise and ideas, but the energy and the spirit of unity, courage, and possibility. This summit was made possible through the visionary leadership of the Sarawak Tourism Board, which initiated RACE, or Rainforest Youth Summit, last year in 2024. This is only the second year. Together with other key agencies, is proud to support a platform that empowers youth to lead in sustainability, creative expression, and community-driven change. From its humble beginning, this summit was never just about conversation. It was about co-creation. It is a platform where the stories of our forests, rivers, and the people are heard. A place where youth voices from the global south rise to the forefront, not as passive observers, but as active architects of our collective future. This year, we are proud to welcome 20 speakers from 13 countries, uniting diverse voices, ideas, and lived experiences. From global change makers like Zoya Misri, Zoya Miari, and Tashi Lazum, to Malaysian innovators Dr. Ahmad Zafir and Max Ham, and Sarawakian leaders Dr. June Rubis and Bethany Luhong Balan. Each one reflects the spirit of race, rooted in local wisdom, connected to global movement. Your voices stand proudly alongside our own Sarawakian wisdom and stories, reminding us that solution must come both from global partnership and deeply rooted local traditions. Your leadership embodies the very soul of race that is resilient, equity, memory, as well as imagination. Let this be the beginning of new collaborations, new projects, new commitment. Take what you learn here and carry them into your communities. Build network, raise your voices, protect what must be protected, reimagine what must be changed. And in everything, let's walk together. As we say in Sarawak, segulai, sejalai, together in unity. Because the road ahead will not be easy, but together with courage, humility, and vision, we can walk it.